W roku, gdy świat zachwycał się kinem, na ekranach królował Golden Eye, Forrest Gump zdobywał Oscara, a publiczność doświadczyła animacji w 3 wymiarach. Technologia przyspieszała. Inżynierowie marzyli o czymś więcej. O projektowaniu, które będzie prostsze, intuicyjne, trójwymiarowe. I wtedy, w 1995 roku, pojawiło się coś, co zmieniło inżynierię na zawsze. Narodził się SOLIDWORKS. Przez 3 dekady SOLIDWORKS wspiera miliony użytkowników na całym świecie, od startupów po globalne korporacje. To właśnie dzięki niemu inżynierowie mogą realizować najbardziej ambitne pomysły i tworzyć produkty, które zmieniają świat.
It's like a mobile phone compared to a phone with binding.
A lot less smooth of an experience in the 95. You have to manually do everything. It doesn't assume your intent like SOLIDWORKS does now.
I would compare the version of 1995 SOLIDWORKS to today's version. I could do the same amount of work and about 10 times faster.
Very outdated, slow, and it's crazy to know the amount of clicks extra I did just do in the last 10 minutes than what I would normally do in day-to-day life.
I'm super fast at that one, and having to slow down and double click and escape all the time.
You can see how the solution evolved. The user interface is completely different, so it's not easy compared what you can do today.
I'm gonna try to race and beat everyone else on this thing.
Let's go ahead and start SOLIDWORKS 95 here with an older icon than even the red square.
All right, we're gonna do new heart.
I'm glad I didn't have to take CSWE in 1995.
I'm going to attempt to use the isometric shortcut from present-day SOLIDWORKS, but that doesn't seem to exist.
Might be 10 minutes before I make the first feature.
Click and hold. See, I clicked and let go. And that's what people do a lot of things wrong with.
Thank you very much, and we're done.
There we go.
That was painful. Oh my gosh.
That's it. I'm happy with that.
I think I did pretty good considering it's 95. I think in 1995, this would have been wild.
Makes me appreciate each version and all the updates that come out.
Oh, at the end of the day, you still get the same thing. The end result is still a 3D model. Over the past 30 years of SOLIDWORKS being in existence, it's really been a tool that has been able to spread itself out throughout the design industry.
If you say SOLIDWORKS, people know what that is. Some of these other CAD systems, they're like, what? I've never heard of that one. Or this one, I've never heard of that one. And it's been the gold standard for me.
What we're doing now is we're tapping into the larger 3D experience portfolio now. And so it's limitless now.
It would be much more intuitive and kind of gesture-based and kind of Minority Report style, building in the air, kind of a VR component, right? I think that's probably where it's all going.
Even this year, we're seeing a more simplified user interface, and it's getting a lot of AI-driven command anticipation for you. So how good will that prediction be in the future? Probably really great, and I wonder how much more of our screen space we'll be able to dedicate just to exactly what you're doing.
I think in the future, SOLIDWORKS, it would definitely be an integration with AI.
Seems like AI is a big focus, so I don't even know exactly how the applications of that are going to affect it at that point. But I'm guessing it will be a lot faster to make these parts, especially more simple parts, and kind of take out some of that base level design and allow the engineers to do more of the building on top of that rather than some of those basic sketches and give you that starting point that's a little further down the path.
SOLIDWORKS nieustannie czerpie inspiracje z kreatywności i innowacyjności swoich użytkowników, będąc nieodłącznym partnerem w drodze do przyszłości. Bo najlepsze projekty dopiero nadchodzą.